Saturday today, June 1. Ito yung kakainin ng aking alaga kasi nga maaga kaming aalis ngayon. Maghanap kami ng kanyang animal costume para sa darating na okasyon sa school nila before mag-end. So this is it. I will say Saturday to us all, and thank you for viewing. On a Sunday brunch, ayan, pritong bangus, Japanese white rice, and then yung sausawan, and the mangoes. Ayan. This is it. This is it, pansit. This is it for today, a Sunday. Okay, thanks for viewing.